Hello everyone, my name is Chen Mengyu, and today I will talk about my project titles using consensus mapping to reduce plastic waste in local communities. This topic is important to me because plastic waste is something I see every day in my school and my living environment. I want to understand how a simple tool like consensus mapping can help me organize ideas and create a clear plan. And this is what I will talk about today. Part 1, Understanding the Problem. Plastic waste is a growing global problem, but for this project, I want to focus on what I can see around me in many places near my school. Plastic bags, bottles, and food containers appear everywhere near trash bins, in classrooms, and even on the road. Many people understand that plastic is harmful to the environment, but they often do not know what action to take. This gap between knowing and doing is one reason the problem continues. When I looked more carefully, I noticed that most plastic waste comes from every simple daily habits. Students buy drinks in plastic cups. Many people order takeaway food every day. Some want to recycle, but do not understand the rules. These small actions add up and create a large problem. I realized that if people do not share the same understanding, they cannot work in the same direction. Part 2, Why consensus mapping helps. I choose consensus mapping because people have very different ideas about how to reduce plastic waste. Some people think recycle is enough. Some think we should stop using plastic bags. Others focus on education. When opinions are different, it is easy to argue and difficult to take action. Consensus mapping helps me avoid this problem. It gives me a tool to collect ideas and find the points where most people agree. The process is simple. First, I collect ideas from people around me. Second, I put simple ideas together into groups. Third, I look for the common partners, something many people mention. Finally, I use the map to build one shared direction. This method, this with takes complex ideas much easier to understand. Part 3, My project design. My project focuses on understanding plastic use in my nearby community. I plan to observe daily plastic habits, talk to a few students or residents, and collect simple suggestions. After that, I will build a small consensus map based on their ideas. My goal is to identify 3 practical actions that people can support and follow. From that, I have observed the main problem areas may include plastic bags, plastic bottles, food packaging, and a lack of recycling knowledge. The shared priorities will likely be reducing single-use plastics, using reusable items, and giving clear instructions for recycling. Even though my map is small, it can still help me to build a simple and realistic action plan. Part 4, Proposed Actions. Based on the map, I plan 4 small actions. The first action is promoting reusable bags when people go shopping. The second action is encouraging bottle refilling instead of buying new bottles. The third action is create simple posters to explain how to recycle correctly. The last action is planning one no plastic day to increase awareness. Part 5, expected outcomes and challenges. Through these actions, I hope more people will understand how plastic waste affects their daily life, and with clear instructions, people may recycle more correctly. Having one shared plan can reduce confusion and increase cooperation. Small steps may not solve everything, but they can create visible changes over time. However, I may face some challenges. Some people are too busy to join any activity. Not everyone agrees on the same solution. Habits are hard to change, especially when people are used to convenience. Also, it may take time to see clear result. Part 6, personal motivations and conclusion. This project matters to me because plastic waste is part of my daily environment. By doing this project, I learn how to use a simple tool to analyze a real problem. It also helps me understand how community decisions work. Most importantly, it teaches me that small actions can still create positive change. In conclusion, consensus mapping is a helpful method for organizing different ideas and create one shared plan. With this tool, I can turn many spread opinions into real actions. By starting with small steps, I hope to inspire more people to reduce plastic waste in their daily lives. Then, thank you for listening.